National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Janesville to near Clinton to near Capron, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walworth, Millard, LaGrange, Avalon, Williams Bay, Palmyra, Sharon, Como, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Delavan Lake, Pale Lake, Potter Lake, Eagle, Abel's Corners, Tibbetts, Allen's Grove, East Troy, Darien, Elkhorn, and Lake Geneva. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.